why you're always broke, even with a salary, and how to finally fix it. You have a salary. Money hits your bank account every single month. So, why does it still feel like you're broke? Imagine this. You get paid on Friday. By next week, you're already checking your balance. Again, here's the truth most people never realize. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. Today, I'll show you exactly why this keeps happening and how to finally take control of your money. If you're between 18 and 45, living in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, this probably sounds familiar. You pay rent or a mortgage, bills, groceries, subscriptions, maybe a car payment, maybe credit cards. You tell yourself, next month I'll save more. But next month comes and nothing changes. Most people focus on earning more money, but they ignore money management. And without a system, even a good salary disappears. Let me break down what's really happening. Number one, you don't have a clear money system. Most people don't have a plan. They just react. Bills come in, they pay them, they spend what's left. And if anything remains, they try to save it. That almost never works. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month. After expenses, maybe 200 or 300 is left. But because there's no structure, that money slowly disappears. Food delivery, small purchases, random spending. Here's what you should do instead. Create a simple structure. 50 to 60% for needs, 20 to 30% for lifestyle, at least 10 to 20% for savings and investing. And here's the key. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, automatically move money into savings or investments. Treat saving like a bill. Number two, lifestyle inflation is eating your income. Every time your income increases, your lifestyle increases with it. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone, you move somewhere nicer, you eat out more often, and suddenly your financial situation hasn't improved at all. You used to earn $2,000 and save $200. Now you earn $3,000, but you still save $200. That extra $800, gone. Here's the fix. When your income increases, increase your savings first. If you get a 10% raise, save at least half of that raise before upgrading your lifestyle. Number three, you're not investing, you're just saving. Saving is important, but saving alone won't build wealth. Inflation quietly reduces the value of your cash. If your money just sits in a bank account, it loses purchasing power every year. Imagine saving $10,000 over a few years, but you never invest it. After inflation, that money buys less than when you saved it. Now imagine something different. You invest $300 per month into a low-cost index fund, averaging 7% per year. In 20 years, you could have over $150,000. You don't need to be an expert. You need consistency. Open a brokerage account. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs. Automate your investments monthly. Let time do the work. Number four, you rely on one source of income. Most people depend entirely on their salary. If that job disappears, so does their income. Financial freedom isn't just about saving, it's about building multiple income streams. Imagine earning $4,000 per month from your job. You start a small side hustle earning $500 per month. Instead of spending it, you invest that $500. Over time, that extra income builds serious wealth. Start small. Freelancing, digital products, online content, dividend investing, simple service businesses, even an extra $200 to $500 per month invested consistently can change your financial future. Now, let's talk about 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1, tracking nothing. If you don't know where your money goes, you can't control it. Track every expense for 30 days. Mistake 2, using credit to fund your lifestyle. Credit cards are tools, but high interest debt destroys wealth. Only use credit if you can pay it in full every month. Mistake 3, waiting for the perfect time. I'll start when I earn more. I'll invest when I understand everything. There is no perfect time. Even $50 per month is better than zero. Here's a powerful tip. Focus on your savings rate, not just your income. If you earn $3,000 and save $900, that's a 30% savings rate. If you earn $6,000 and save $600, that's only 10%. Financial freedom depends more on what you keep than what you earn. Track your savings rate monthly. Increase it gradually. Let's recap. If you're always broke, even with a salary, it's usually because you don't have a system. Lifestyle inflation keeps growing. You're not investing. You rely on one income source. Fix these four things, and your financial life can change. Personal finance isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about smart decisions, consistent investing, and building assets over time. Imagine where you could be 5 years from now if you start today. If this helped you, like the video, comment below what's your biggest money challenge right now, and subscribe for more practical tips on investing, budgeting, passive income, and financial freedom. Let's build wealth the smart way.